So hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at Humble Bundle yet again. In the past I've mentioned a few times about things I've noticed with keys, especially with these bundles where they've run out in the past and they might not always give you the keys, but there's been further developments on that front. I think I need to cover this. So I've got a few different bundles open at the moment, and you can see now they've got this note saying keys expire, please redeem before February 7th, 2027, which is in the future. This one expires in 16 days, so you've got over a while at least to redeem them. But yeah, now's only a couple months essentially. If there's no keys, then you just miss out, because if they don't restock them in time, now there's a deadline that you have to redeem them by. I think it's really for two purposes: not for restocking games in the future, because there's a fixed deadline, as well as if anyone has keys that they don't redeem before then, they don't actually have to use the keys for the bundle, because if I don't reveal the key before February the 7th, they can just essentially resell the key in their store and make profit off it twice. Which I'm not sure whether they're able to do that or what exactly happens. Maybe there's a refund to the supplier, I don't know how that works. But now if we have a look at some of the other bundles, you can see this one says July 17th. If we scroll down here, and it's 2 days, so it is just about a year. This one says July 17th next year, so at least this has a whole year, but that is still the deadline now. If we go here, February 7th, another one February 7th, so I guess there's a few fixed days that they do it on. This one, keys running low, so half a year essentially to try to get the keys if they do run out. Hopefully they don't if you're buying these, but yeah. Next one, August the 5th. So yeah, lots of these are about a year, 14 days. You can see August 5th is about 14 days, so about a year after it ends to actually redeem them all. Same on this one, February 5th. So it looks like now it is a 1 year or 6 months, depending on the actual bundle deadline to actually redeem your keys. And who knows what happens after that point. I doubt they'd refund you if you didn't redeem them, but do they just get to keep the keys and resell them to someone else in their store? How does that actually work? Have any of you noticed anything about this, or have any more comments? If you like this video, comment down all your thoughts, and if you didn't subscribe, see something like this in the future.